Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch from dark mode to light mode in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll see a menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open up the main navigation options. This menu is your gateway to all of Messenger's settings and customization features. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can adjust various aspects of how Messenger looks and functions on your device. Now, within the settings page, you'll need to locate the profile section. This section contains all the personalization options for your Messenger experience, including appearance settings, notifications, and more. Take a moment to scan through the available sections until you find it. Inside the profile section, you'll see an option specifically for dark mode. Click on it to access the display settings. This is where you control whether Messenger uses a dark background or a light background, which can significantly affect how comfortable the app is to use in different lighting conditions. Once you're in the dark mode settings, you'll notice a radio button labeled off. Click on this radio button to disable dark mode. This action tells Messenger to switch back to the standard light mode interface, which features a brighter background and darker text for better visibility in well-lit environments. After clicking off, Messenger will automatically apply the change and switch from dark mode to light mode. You'll immediately notice the interface brighten up as the app transitions to its lighter color scheme. The change happens instantly, so there's no need to restart the app or wait for any loading. And that's it. You've successfully switched your Facebook Messenger from dark mode to light mode, giving you a brighter, more traditional interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.